Fireworks are great, but what if we took things a step further? How about nuking the moon? Sounds crazy, right? But in 1958, it almost happened. Let's explore what would actually happen if we nuked the moon. Welcome to What If. In the heat of the space race, 1957 saw the Soviet Union launch Sputnik, the first satellite to orbit Earth. The US wasn't happy about that. To show their strength, the US military devised a secret plan, Project A19, to nuke the moon. They believed a nuclear explosion visible from Earth would showcase their power and boost American morale. But before you panic, don't worry, it never happened. So, why not? Imagine seeing a giant nuclear mushroom cloud on the moon every time you look up at the sky. Sounds like something from a science fiction movie, but the logic behind it was simple. Display American military might. The US thought this would send a strong message to the world, but would it actually work? The most powerful bomb ever detonated on Earth was the Tsar Bomba, with a yield of 50 megatons of TNT. That's the equivalent of 3,800 Hiroshima bombs. But here's the thing. To actually affect the moon's orbit or cause serious damage, we'd need a nuke around 10 trillion megatons of TNT. Yeah, that's 10 trillion. And even then, it would just push the moon slightly off its orbit, while wrecking Earth's tides, seasons, and exposing us to meteors. But hey, that's another what if for another time. Nuclear fallout on the moon. Would it matter? The moon isn't like Earth. It has no atmosphere and no protective ozone layer. It's constantly bombarded by cosmic rays and solar radiation. So, would nuking the moon even make a difference? Surprisingly, no. The radiation from a single nuclear bomb would be negligible compared to the cosmic bombardment the moon already experiences. That's one of the reasons why the US canceled the plan. It wouldn't do much but leave a radioactive crater. Another reason the plan to nuke the moon was scrapped? The US military was eyeing the moon as a potential military base. They wanted to colonize it by the 1960s, and turning it into a radioactive wasteland wouldn't help. Fast forward to today, and NASA's still wrestling with the moon's radiation problem as they plan for future lunar bases. But that's a challenge they hope to solve soon. So, what would happen if we went ahead with nuking the moon? The answer? Not much. The most significant physical change would be another crater. Ironically, the moon's craters are there because it blocks space debris, meteorites, and asteroids from hitting Earth. So maybe instead of blowing it up, we should be grateful for it. But let's entertain the extreme. What if we had a 10 trillion megaton bomb? The explosion could shift the moon's orbit, which would throw Earth's delicate balance into chaos. The tides would be thrown off, causing catastrophic floods and tsunamis. The seasons would be unpredictable, and Earth might become exposed to meteor showers. Yeah, not so cool anymore, right? While it's fun to imagine these outlandish scenarios, nuking the moon wouldn't bring anything good for us. From tides to seasons, the moon plays a crucial role in maintaining life on Earth. So, instead of attacking it, maybe we should protect it and appreciate its role in keeping us safe from cosmic chaos. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.